Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating the girls' room. Here's a little sneak peek. I will do a room tour and everything. This is the before. Are you ready to decorate?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get started.
Ow! You guys are doing my decoration feeder.
Woohoo! What color do you think this is, Tina?
Maybe pink or purple.
Maybe. We'll check it out.
Yeah!
Alright, we're opening the tree. Excuse me, Gigi. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, no, no. Move your finger. Move, move, move. Move, move, move. No, my goodness. This is so exciting. Who's excited? Alright, Tina, open it up. Let's guess the color.
Pink already.
Is it pink? Oh, that's a gorgeous pink.
Ah, did you say this?
Gigi wants it for herself only. This is gorgeous, you guys.
Maybe this is a table or a slide.
Maybe. All right, let's get it together, Athena. I'm so excited for your tree. Look, that's the base. And then this came in 2 boxes. So we're going to do box number 1 first because it is a 9 feet tall Christmas tree. So it's going to go all the way to the top. This is nice.
Oh, the pink. The purple like you.
Wow.
Pink.
Is this your favorite?
Yeah, I love me want a purple slippers and a pink slippers.
Okay, maybe we'll ask Santa. All right, so that's the base.
And open my
Then we're gonna put the second part. I think there's 2 parts in here, so I'm assuming it's a 4-part Christmas tree. So let's do this.
I see it down there.
So here we have piece number 1.
Number 1.
And then we're gonna put it down there. Athena's helping me. Do you feel excited, Tina, about your new Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Is pink your favorite color?
Yeah, we want a purple slipper and a pink slipper. I love those colors.
Be sure to check out the description box. I will be linking my beautiful Treetopia Christmas tree down below. Alright, this is so huge. I think at the ends I'm probably going to put those down a little bit just to tuck them in. But mainly the tree is going to be in front of the what's it called? The window. It's going to look so nice. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about the girls' pink Christmas tree from Treetopia? We just turned on the tree and it's pink. We are on number 2. We're going to fluff it out at the end. So that way we can fluff.
I want to do in my room.
But somehow I knew.
Alright, so we are on piece number 4. This is a huge tree, you guys. But it's gonna look so pretty at night. The girls are gonna love it. And I cannot wait to fluff it because right now it looks, it's not fluffed. I wanted to do it as I go, but it'll take me longer. So we're just gonna put it together first and then I'll fluff it. So now I'm working on the last part of the tree, which is up there. That is part number 5. Oh my goodness, this tree is beautiful. We also got some extra light bulbs, which is great in case any of them go off, which I don't think they will, but it's good that we have extras. We did it all the way to the top. My next task is going to be fluffing the tree out because right now it doesn't look good, but it's gonna look really, really nice once it's fluffy. You like it, Gigi?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not done. Just wait until I'm done, okay? Wow, this is beautiful. Alright guys, we will be right back. I'm gonna fluff it out and show you guys how it looks before we start decorating it. This is how it comes out of the box. You can see gaps everywhere because we have not fluffed the tree up. But once we do, it's gonna look really, really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me, and let's just take a little break. Alright guys, I finished fluffing and here we have the final look. Oh my goodness, this Treetopia tree is beyond gorgeous. Check out how full this tree is. I am obsessed. Leo just came in and said, this tree is gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks at night, so you guys will get to see that too. Right now, the sun is going to be setting soon, but wow. I love it. Love it. It's perfect. If you guys are interested, I'll have the link down below in the description box. Check it out. Stay tuned for part 2 so that we can decorate this tree together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, putting this tree together. It was super easy. The fluffing did take a little while, but as you can see, it's a full tree. Like, it is really, really full. You can hardly see any gaps, but honestly, I am so impressed with this tree. So gorgeous. Thank you so much to Treetopia for sponsoring this video. Once again, I am not disappointed with Treetopia Christmas trees. They are so beautiful. You can find them in multiple colors, and I will leave their website down below, so be sure to check out the description box if you are interested. I will also link the items that are in my girls' room. So check out the description box down below if you see anything that you like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all on my next one. Bye guys.
Yes!
Oh my goodness.
Let's make it. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna open
Mom life.
So that's good right there. That's right.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow